I'm thinking of upgrading this Ray Spear kit into a solid budget BMAX build. Let's see what we can do with it. Hey everyone! This is Ari-chan and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're upgrading this kit into a BMAX budget setup, or even a stock advanced pro style build. Let's dive straight into it. This VZ chassis comes from the advanced pack, but I swapped the cowl with the Ray Spear. It's already equipped with the 3.721 gear set, hollow propeller shaft, and super hard tires straight from the pack. For this build, we'll need a few essential FRP parts. Multi-roller setting stay, rear multi-roller setting stay, rear brake stay, side mass damper set for AR chassis, to FRP plates for Super X chassis. If you're on a budget, you can go with standard FRP plates instead. Let's start with the front. Install the FRP multi-roller setting stay using two 5mm screws. Next, grab two 25mm screws for the rollers and dampers. Use the 13mm holes, then lock them down with nuts. Add roller bushings, 13mm rollers to 6.7mm spacers, and secure everything with lock nuts and ball caps. Repeat this process on the other side. Check that the rollers spin smoothly. For the rear, attach the FRP rear multi-roller setting stay using two 5mm screws. We'll use two 30mm screws for the rollers. Add a roller bushing, 13mm roller, Rocometer demo spacer, and mount them on the 13mm holes. Stack another 6mm and 3mm spacer, followed by a roller bushing, 13mm roller, then secure it with a lock nut and ball cap. 反対側も同様に行う. Now for the brake. Stay. Grab one Super X FRP plate and attach it underneath the brake stay using two 5mm screws and lock nuts. Then mount it onto the rear of the chassis. Let's move to the side setup using the side mass damper set for AR chassis. You'll need four 5mm, screws two for each side. Before we move on to the dampers, let's quickly take care of this step. Install the light dash motor into the motor mount and place it into the chassis. Next, attach the 3.7 counter gear and lock it in place with the gear cover. Finally, secure the motor using the motor catch. Iyo, wakatta! Use 30mm screws for the dampers. Attach them to the FRP and secure with lock nut. Mount the dish-type mass dampers and finish with ball caps. 反対側も同様に行う. On the rear brake stay, attach to 30mm screws. Secure with lock nuts. Mount the slimline mass dampers and finish with ball caps. Last step. Install the two remaining 30mm screws to the center of the front FRP plate. Attach the 8.3 grams mass damper blocks and secure with ball caps. すべてが自由に動くことを確認する. For the final plate, mount the last Super X FRP underneath the front to support brake pads. We'll also experiment by lightening the rear slightly. Feel free to adjust dampers based on your track's layout. And that's it. 組み立て完了. Looks pretty solid. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, And stay tuned for more Mini for WD content. 次回もお楽しみに。